I am currently here vibing with an entertainer from the old school, a foundation artist. His parents named him Anthony Cameron, but we know him as
Anthony Red Rose.
Father Red Rose.
Yeah,
How things, sir?
Well, I can't complain, you know, because from me have life, me have everything.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Early life, place of birth.
Well, me's a man, you am to me now. My birth is a complicated thing.
Yeah.
I me born 7 months.
Premature.
Yeah. My mother go St. Mary go check on her friend. And you know, in a them time there, them now the them official toilet where we have no click and flush and styles out
Pit tile, pit latrine.
Yeah. So my mother tell me that she feel like she want do.
Yeah.
I saw me born, you know. She said when me born, she not feel no pain, nothing. If the lady never tell her, say, do in the pail,
Yeah.
there wouldn't be no Red Rose, because Red Rose was born in a pit.
Yeah. So you were born in St. Mary?
Yeah, but them register me in a Spanish town.
Because your mommy was from St. Catherine?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So you would have grown up where?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine. Where in St. Catherine?
All about, man. Now one of them man where live Barrett Street, live Monk Street, live all about in a Spanish town. And I say it because, you know, a reggae music really lift me and give me everything. When
Alright.
Yeah.
Schooling, where did you attend
I
school?
go St. Catherine. I never go basic school.
Okay, cool.
I only go a St. John's Primary. That's it. Come up St. John's Primary, see, and left from there to go St. Catherine High. And then I live come a Kingston.
Live come at Kingston.
I go Kingston Tech.
Any siblings?
Yeah, man. I have too much brother. Some of them I not even know them. And my father bad.
Your father bad?
Bad. I have a whole heap of brother and sister. I
You
have crazy brother and sister. Cause my old man, I have a China brother.
Take on the road.
I have a China brother, white brother.
Miss chin settings.
Yeah, all kind of different brother. I'm bad. It's a bad father, man.
So mommy and daddy still alive?
Well, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
and them alright.
Yeah, man. We grew up
Poor.
and you know. But me tell you the truth, we grew up alright because
You enjoy your growing up years.
yeah, and being poor, it comes with something where most men don't see that. It comes with a survival skill.
Teach you to survive.
Yeah. But you know, say nowadays, if you even can't even find a plate of food, you're alright with that.
Because you have been
And you
there.
not think about a next man food.
Yeah, you have been there. You live it already.
And my people, them nah take nobody things or them nah say, them not eat nobody or them not grudge no man for them things.
So even though the circumstances wasn't great, you were still taught principles and values.
And that's a goal in life. And it carry me come right here where I'm at.
The music though.
Well, the music.
How you got involved?
Well, me used to sing pan sound lift sound box. The works. Me have a sound named Sir Duncan.
Sir Duncan.
From Spanish Town, where my sound that when my first sound that when me sing pan and follow go all over the countryside go sing. And me used to select and sing at the same time the whole night. And me as a man can just build lyrics from my head straight. So we just play the Dennis Brown and then we turn it over and we sing pan that.
Pan the version.
Yeah, and we just sing all different songs all whole night.
Yeah.
You see me? And that school that me come
That school
from.
the real old school.
The old school. We pull up and we just find lyrics and sing. Next song, sing, and people just a ball forward. The man a beat. Zinc fence a drop down and that's something that me.
Real vibes.
Yeah,
real
that thing
authentic dancehall.
Me popular in the sound world and me meet this singer with them call name Bunny Lai. So one day me there at Spanish Town because me used to live at Walks Road, but me walk from Walks Road to Spanish Town every day through the music. You know see it? And them say them I go check King Tubby's.
Yeah. Legendary.
Yeah so me now them say, Rosie, you want to come? And me go end up going on the taxi with them and we go. And from that day, then I meet King Tubby's.
Yeah.
My life changed.
That's how things change.
Yeah, because Tubby's just take a liking to me and say, yo, if you come at the studio at daytime, come hang out at the studio, come listen to rhythm. So I saw me go learn now a whole lot of things, how to put song together.
So you
what
learn the
harmony
musical
work,
aspect of the music. The melody and flow and harmony.
Me learn whole heap of things from me go around Tubby's.
Yeah.
Cause Tubby's send me go a channel one, go like a rhythm and send me all over the place. And it so happened that me so happy, become like a sponge.
Yeah, you just absorb everything.
Absorb everything.
That's important.
Yeah.
You remember the first time you walk into the studio, the recording booth?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
You remember how you do that there?
Dennis is a man named Dennis Howard. No, Dennis Star. Dennis Howard, me and him start a label. But Dennis Star.
You mean Dennis Howard with the RJ now?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Dennis Howard, man. The song with me and Bounty Killer, Intimate.
Intimate,
And me and Dennis Howard produce a song there, you know, on a label named Jamenter, you know. Yeah, I'm first juggling that when I make the rhythm named Earthquake.
Yeah, Earthquake, yeah.
And it have a whole heap of bunch of artists. We get about 5 number one half of the rhythm. I'm first juggling that when I make. All right. Be a history behind them thing, you know. Because the same day, when we advise the rhythm, Bujo Bantan was there. Bujo come and Bujo a DJ something and then we now hear Bujo then it look like Bujo jump in a cab and go back up a penthouse and leave it. Cause we and Bujo close.
Yeah.
But Bujo like Jeremy and some politics thing in go left.
Yeah.
As Bujo leave, a Bounty Killer come up in a taxi.
Why, lad?
Bounty Killer, I talk to Bounty Killer on the phone and him come check it and that day there, we do the intimate. Because me didn't sing my part, I just
so him just come lay down.
While him a DJ, the earthquake come. Him in the boat of voice and the earthquake, so the thing start move up and down the studio. So Killer and all the way and Killer, me I hear Killer talk, Killer say, boy, Rosie come like, when you carry me around here, come kill me. And you see what I say?
Yeah, but which year was that?
At 93.
93.
You see me? And the day when the song the voice, the quickest the song got to the radio. Because Killer voice, and after Killer done voice, and we voice.
You don't have to do much to it.
We voice Malvo, come on, very first time. We voice Anthony Malvo, and Snagglepuss, a bag about, let me tell you, a bag of people voice that day.
Yeah.
See? And we balance up some of the song them.
Yeah.
And we come and do a song named Earthquake.
Because of
yeah, and we name the rhythm Earthquake. And in the night, we come and drive, go straight up IRFM.
Go drop off the thing.
Go drop off the thing, them and the rhythm start play on the radio. Same time, same night. So as the song them come out, everything run well. Yeah. Every dance we gonna hear the song them a play. I said, no.
Yeah, but we could backtrack a little bit because when you tell me the first time you record a song.
The first time we record a song, it was a song named Sandy.
Sandy?
Yeah. We did it for a man named Dennis Star.
Yeah.
I'm Cameron go a studio. I'm first vice all Papa Santo. Because the whole already
live still around?
Spanish Town. Papa, yeah.
No, not Papa San, man. Dennis.
Dennis Star?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I'm still about.
Nice.
The song, True Love Don't Come So Easily. I want you to know I love you Sunday. You are my sugar candy.
Yeah,
the first song that...
How well did it do though?
Well, it can't go England.
It can't go England?
Yeah, it can't go England. I make me wear some big ring on my finger, some whole heap of things.
Sandy was
Sandy
good for you?
Sandy good. And I'm the first song that when I try write an original song, because we used to sing over a whole heap of song, but I try. And a song that happened that it can't go England and do a whole heap of things.
So that song was a song that introduced you to mainstream because you have always been a part of the sound system culture.
So from me sing that song that, it's like me get a tour in then.
Yeah, man.
And then we go meet the king.
Yeah, Tubbies.
From me Tubbies, me tell you my life changed.
Everything changed.
Me sing a song named And I'm a Fat Thing.
That was a remix of And I'm a Slant Thing?
No.
No?
Era.
Up on the same rhythm?
I the same rhythm, but era go on with that rhythm now. Them find the rhythm in our box. In one of them, I don't remember what the thing name, and them run it off on tape.
Yeah.
And play a phrase around it and thing. Tubbies have a cut of it, and Jammies have a cut of it.
Ah. So, cool.
Wayne Smith
Yeah.
sing.
And I'm slang
And me
thing.
sing and I'm a fat thing for Tubbies. Ding 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 boy, whoa ba ba whoa ba boy. Ding 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 boy, whoa ba ba boy. Why boy? Listen me. Under me fat thing, me under me fat thing. Under me fat thing, she under me. She bounce me hair and bounce me there. She bouncing and she bouncing like she just don't care. She wheel and turn till me tumble down. But I'm still dancing cause I'm having fun. This is not a shock, this is not a surprise. Me and my fat thing gone compute. And I know the 80s that.
I got computerized.
I'm computerized, my God.
Bad
You
thing.
see what I say?
Yeah, so
we are sit to the future from long time.
so that was the next step in the
Yeah.
career after
But when me sing the song name Tempo now,
Tempo.
when me a sing about the sound,
Yeah, man.
can't say me never did I warn you. Oh Lord, me tell you, no trouble take your Lord of God. The whole thing, every sound in the world appear. And me sing the play till my mouth kinda white.
Yeah, man.
Can't say me never did I warn you. Oh Lord, me tell you, whoa, no trouble take your Lord of God. Pick me shut it, I go fit you. Come on, die. No trouble take your Lord of God. Pick me shut it, I go fit you. I just love how the champion sound keep playing, keep playing. At a reggae-matical style, them a flash till the morning. On the rhythm, with a little of this and a little of that. Listen my voice through the tweeter box. Sound sweeter with an echo chamber. And don't you know, we are the danger. Temper. My God, this is a sound in a temper.
Wow.
That is a life changer, you know?
That's the next life changer.
Yeah.
So it was hit after hit.
After it.
hit.
You see King Tubbies now?
Yeah.
Every song me sing for King Tubbies.
It.
Just gone.
Chemistry,
gone.
right.
I'm there all over the world.
Yeah.
You know see?
So Red Road start tour, start fly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of the places that those songs would have taken you overseas.
Well, yeah, everywhere in the world, China, Japan.
Everywhere.
You see me I say? Italy, you name it.
Yeah.
Scandinavia. We got so much places in the world, Rasta. It come like, yo.
Of all the places that you would have been, where is the biggest stage that you would have walked on? When you look at the crowd, they say, yo, is this real?
We got Japan.
Japan.
We go up a Japan splash. And as far as me I look,
People.
and remember, you know, these people don't speak English, you know.
And them
And every song where we sing, them
must
sing
sing
it.
it.
They must sing it too, you know. So you see the power of music.
far reaching.
Yeah, because them not speak English and they
It's
must
a
sing.
fascinating thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Fascinating.
When you're on stage and you work and you see what happening in front of you, like when you go Germany,
Yeah.
and you go Italy, remember them people don't speak English. You see it? And the English speaking people.
Yeah.
And you go Brazil, and you see the whole everybody is singing a song, you stand up and it put you in a state of
Yeah.
mind.
Where's your favorite place to perform, though?
To perform,
Yeah.
yo, you know, so I love Scandinavia.
I love Scandinavia.
Yeah,
Why
I
though?
love Japan
I
too.
love Japan.
I love Japan and I love all the places, yeah. I love Germany.
Yeah.
Because I don't know.
The
The
appreciation.
song them when me have in time, I sing them people just get weird that. As you know, make me sing my song them same way like
Yeah.
all.
Your sound and when you voice it.
Yeah, same
man.
way. And we are big man, we sing the song them
Same way. And the people them appreciate it.
Effortless
grab on to
because
it.
we make for that something, you know
Yeah,
what I mean?
man. So after Tempo,
Yeah.
what came next?
Well, me do an album with album named Red Rose Will Make You Dance.
Red Rose Will Make You Dance.
King Tubbies, and we
King
do our
Tubbies.
next album named with Two Big Bull in a One Pen with King Kong.
King
Red Rose
Kong.
and King Kong.
Yeah.
That's
Like
it.
I said that one, my dad do some local research. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So how well did the albums do though?
No, them things they go on really good, you know.
Go on really good. Jamaica or overseas?
Both, you know.
Both. Okay.
Because I remember them time there's sound system around the thing. So in every record box you have a
Yeah.
yeah, there and every dance you go where I play same way and thing, you know. So everything got on good, man.
The government name is Anthony Cameron. Or the Anthony Red Rose thing came
Well,
about.
Red Rose is a nickname.
How would that come about?
It's a name we never did like. This happened to me when I got St. John's Primary. When I got school, cause I broke myself, me a little neat man.
Yeah.
All my house, me like, me a
Nice
clean
and
man.
clean.
Me a clean man.
Yeah.
As you know, me a man clean down anyway and do
Yeah,
it. Me a
man.
clean my shoes and wear. So when I go school, my pants them, I press my pants them every morning and my shoes and my carry all polish and clean my shoes and so the man in my mouth me and I say me go like me a red rose. So, yeah, I move like yeah, me girl thing that they call man red rose. Me fight, me go out with that. It come like the more I fight, the more the name.
I saw name works in
the name take away my real name from me.
Anything you start fight against the name and the time it go stick.
It stick to me like crazy glue.
Yeah. But,
you see me?
Yeah, so you just adapt it after a while.
Yeah, man, me just live with it, me can't run better.
Yeah.
And me just live with
but
it.
But it work, you end up
because there's no other red rose in our music.
No. One Anthony Red Rose.
One Anthony Red Rose.
Yeah.
Not two, not three, not four, just one. Yeah. And that is good. So you more time, Jah himself make a part for you.
Reason, man.
But you see, it's a thing where I'm to me, you know, enough time to get myself in trouble, you know. Jah tell me, say, me not to do it now, me go do it, you know. But the whole of me get me stop that.
Yeah.
Anytime Jah talk to me,
you're gone.
Me talk about my business.
Wisdom.
Yeah, man. Because me have a van one time and my lady tell me, say, make me and her go a country and me get up and me I say, Jah, no star, you know, me no want to go in a country. Mommy. And me a quarrel with mommy, say me no want, and she say me no care go nowhere.
Yeah.
I guess I take myself down a man devil a dance. True, she had, when I come out is the next van, I see parking at the spot, me I push my key in the next man van. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always good to follow your mind.
I cut out all of them things there right now.
The career kept on growing and kept on growing. Because you said no, you'd have done that song with Bounty Killer as well.
Yeah.
Which added to the repertoire and the catalogue of songs.
Yeah,
right?
man.
You'd have also done collaboration with
Roundhead. Boom boom bye bye. Boom 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 bye bye. Boom boom boom. Girl, for so long we've been going steady. But you changed. Girl, change into someone new, someone I don't know. So, boom, 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 bye, bye. Boom, 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 bye, bye.
That's classic that.
Yeah, it's a Sly and Robbie. It's a Sly and Robbie production.
Yeah, man. Classic
That's
again.
It. Yeah.
And
we do a whole bunch of songs. We do all the next song with Bounty Killer to where we really go on.
We sang that again.
Me, Bounty Killer and Anthony Malvo. And la la la. La la la. Guns and Roses. That song was my song. I produced that song.
You produced that song?
Yeah, that was the next song.
There was also another high-profile collaboration, Nah Loaf.
Yeah.
With Terror.
With Terror Fabulous.
Yeah,
but
man.
Nah Loaf, that is one of my productions.
Again, okay.
I sing it straight and on the remix I put Terror Fabulous.
Oh, it was on the remix, Terror.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah. That song stand up in the dance.
Yeah, man, still
I sing it right now on special and
Remind
me nah love in a next man territory. Rasta youth nah linger pan another man borderline. We nah love in our next man territory, Rasta youth nah linger, pan another man borderline.
Never.
What we do star? We just pick up we whip and turn on the kasha. Skin bun them we use caustic soda. I'm not a loaf around, so don't you treat a Rasta youth like a clown. It will be a showdown, and certainly your cumbalos are run out of town. A Pennywise, quatty foolish, we show all jump hands in a ditch. We nah love in our next man territory. Rasta youth nah linger, pan another man borderline. Yeah, man.
The voice still powerful, Anthony.
Yeah, man.
Looking at the career now, Godfather.
Yeah.
What would be your biggest accomplishment to date, in your opinion?
Well, my biggest accomplishment is to say, a youth like me will come from nothing to something, and in all of that, me still do something and help a lot of youth, and turn a whole heap of youth in a star. You see, out of me, a whole heap of youth come. That is my biggest accomplishment.
Yeah, man. And that was well said. You understand me? Because a lot of the man them down the years, you know, I come from humble beginnings, and when they make it, them not really try to extend a hand to help up our next brother. So that's commendable.
Yeah, man. And some, it's information to me not hide it from none of the other them. And that me knowing as you know, if a man want to know something and from me know it, me I gotta tell you.
But that's why I think, you know, continuity and the thing move on and grow.
But that's what make the business grow. If you know and you know, you're gonna do better to the business.
Naturally. Is there anything that would have happened to you or that you would have done musically or in the career that when you look back upon it and say, you know, I never have to do that? You have any regrets?
No, musically,
no.
Me don't have no regrets because music is my passion. And more time I sleep and music wake me up. A song wake me up. Because song just come to me, you know, me have that gift there, you know. Song just come to me. Me just hear already, man, just start sing and the verses and everything come to
flow.
me. Yeah. That's it. And ears me stay so.
Yeah.
You know?
So no regrets.
No regrets.
You would have had many hit catalog also.
Yeah, man.
And normally, that one thing that I've found out is that with the many hits that the artists will acquire over the years, the biggest songs are the most popular songs are not always the favorite song for the artist.
No.
What is your favorite song?
Family Man.
Family Man.
I'm a family man. I want my little son for proud of me. Yes, I'm a family man. Me have to think about them legacy. This song is a serious song, I love it.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Many a times I make to pick up the gun, but a voice inside said to put it down. And all the while I make to deal with badness, another voice inside said not deal with it. I'm a family man.
Beautiful.
Yeah. One of my songs that I love to my heart.
Why you love that song more than all the other songs?
Alright, this is the first time my first son born, and that song that I'm singing. And it put me in a state of mind. It made me start think serious.
Different.
Yeah. It made me want to buy building.
Responsibilities.
Yeah. You know,
maturity.
Yeah.
Legacy.
You hear me I say? Me say it, everything me say in the song. You know?
True.
It keep me walking on a straight and narrow road, and you know.
How many?
More me youth them go to college and this happened and it make me think them.
Yeah, makes sense. How many kids?
Well, me just have 4 youth.
4 youths.
I mean, I have a girl and 4
boys.
Yeah, 4 boys.
Married or ever been married?
No. You see, my relationship, the music always because
intervene.
Yeah, because the music, more time a woman can understand a man.
True. In the music.
In the music, and just in the music. But the music is my lifeline. And if me Lego this something, I bet you just put me in a little box and bury me.
Yeah. No happiness now go to the again.
No.
And the ladies them not understand.
Them can't understand.
It's kind of rough for them to choose them. Because you know them want company and
them
ship
want
and
something, man. They are stage show. I'm there stage and
they're on tour.
Me not let it go. Because me wish me could just find a woman who just understand everything about.
Probably she's still out there, man.
She could have done it.
She out there, man.
No,
one of them time.
Me and her just go up on tour and she just hip to that something with me, you know.
Yeah.
Because music are the baddest drugs, you know. You don't matter about coke and crack and
music.
And music are the drugs. When you get up on that.
You're not the first artist to tell me say the relationship or the marriage thing not work out because them consume the music.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah,
so I understand the settings. But probably she did it, man.
She did it because life, you know.
So the youths, them all adults.
Yeah, man. I pay a big man and my grand picnic and one more.
Yeah,
man.
You're still in the studio.
Yeah. Right now, after I done talk to me, I go back to my mix because I mix a song with her.
That song is just a single or is a part of a bigger body of work? Any album in the pipeline, anything? Well,
I just sing an EP for Lenky Mars and it just come out, I think VP put it out.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, man, it called No Limit.
No Limit.
No Limit. Push it, no limit and take it to another level and you will never ever forget. And we'll be dancing to the rhythm and grooving with the living and you will never ever forget. No limit. There's no limit to what somebody can accomplish and what you can do in life. And don't stop till you reach one stage. Go to the other.
Don't limit yourself.
Yeah, challenge yourself at all time. It's a song like that.
Yeah.
the title track for the EP.
Yeah, makes sense.
It have a new combination with me and Killer on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Why? I wanted to say we just sing it.
Okay.
Just sing it, and it kind of fresh.
Yeah, man.
EP just dropped.
So people have to look out for that.
Yeah.
What the title of that track?
It named Bun Them.
Bun Them.
Yeah, they're upon the EP. From you go No Limit, everything will come up.
And the EP is where? Spotify, iTunes,
Yeah.
all the digital media.
digital.
Okay, nice,
And
nice.
VP,
Okay.
I think VP, VPAL, son VPAL.
Father Rose,
Yeah.
as a man from the old school, foundation settings, right, who is still active in the music, what do you think about the music today?
Only thing we can say about the youth them, you know, because you can't bun the youth them or put them down, you know. Them in a learning process. And them still have on them training wheels.
Yeah.
So them soon kick it off.
Yeah, makes sense.
Them in a learning process.
Yeah.
And some of them want to learn, but some of them stuck up in themselves. But
Them not
after
getting advice.
a while, them are going to realize,
Realize.
say, I learn this and do this the right way.
So is there anything about the music today that you would change if you had the ability to change it?
You know, more to change nothing at the music, more than just add to it.
Add to it.
Just add the things them fit make it better. The one them when the sound so good, they hard and make it better. But more no want to change the youth them vibes are, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because for them think that, you know, hey, the thing them
Everybody
where
starts somewhere down.
everybody starts somewhere. The thing them where we are quarrel about now, later on them gonna be the biggest things.
True that.
That's it. So all
True
we
that.
have to do, just teach the youths them, man.
That's important. Guidance.
Yeah, for make it better and better and better.
As an entertainer who came out of the sound culture, the dancehall culture,
Yeah.
were you involved in any feud, lyrical feud down the years with any entertainer?
Yeah, man, we got enough clash with all different kind of people, man.
Yeah.
All right, you see, in a them time there, on a dub plate you sing for go clash, you know. You pay artists to come clash.
Oh.
When sound clash are going,
Go on.
an artist turn up, and the next sound man have him artist. That's why we sing them whole pa sound song there. Because when we go dance, we just sing a bag of things. Whole pa different thing, man. Sing a
that
clash
was
with
fun,
DJ.
man.
And
Good times.
no man no
war
kill
thing,
nobody
no.
already.
I just
After
say
man them
music.
clash done,
Every man good.
man go drink and boy, you see, oh, you know, easy now where you get that from.
That apart, I think we probably need to bring back in the music.
The love.
The love.
The love. And that's what we need, you know. The love.
Because every little thing now, a man say a thing, a man ready for it. You understand what I'm saying?
The man them mind too much in this gang and this whole heap of foolishness when I make no sense. Because music is love. And from when you are dealing with music, you have to distribute love through the music.
Yeah.
See? So artists, we are crow worker. They all our way for just live as one. Run to joke with the one another and do what we have to do.
Man, them take everything serious.
Yeah, man. You have to let go of something, man.
You would have worked with many giants, icons, legends in the business. Is there artists who you have not collaborated with at this point in time? If I get the opportunity, I say yes, know them voice with the entertainer.
Yeah, man, but I understand with enough of the little youth them. And with Chronics, I like
That
Chronics.
hit already, you know, Anthony. I know voice it, you know.
I like Chronics direction.
Yeah.
I like Porter J them.
Yeah, man.
You see me? John 9.
John 9.
Like
So I realize you stick with the more roots rock, reggae, conscious youths them.
Yeah, but me like all I do na.
Did he?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I do and I like that. I like that DJ.
That hit already to you.
I like that DJ.
Because he have the potential and the ability to go old school, you know.
Yeah, man. But him flexible.
Him that for true.
In my career, when I say I take me from there, the Spanish man, them want communicated me, you know.
Oh, collab. So now I want a new market that, you know, brother.
Them man, they reach out and I'm a whole song them send us some beat for me sing back. I like a thing with the whole
because
song
you
them.
see the thing, you know, Anthony, is that them songs are timeless. That
Okay.
Them are come, you know, they say all time, same thing, come back again. Yeah, man, that a go all well. The reality is that you say good music will always remain relevant and will always find the ears of the masses eventually.
Right now, we have a song with me and Snow. Snow.
I mean,
Spanish.
Snow from I Will Do.
Yeah,
Anything.
man. You see that Snow there?
Yeah.
Him just win the Latin Grammy, you know.
Eh.
Cause him have a song with him and...
I never know if I'm still active, man.
The man draft him up on a song.
Yeah. Can't
Me
lose.
just do it and sing again.
So the thing still happen.
Yeah, man.
Without even saying your age, you would have been around a long time. But looking at you, you're still energetic, you're still vibrant, the voice is still full and powerful.
Yeah, man.
What have you been doing to sustain yourself?
Well, me try to eat the right thing and, you know, do some, me's a man exercise straight. Like how some man take exercise and things, sometimes I love it. And my belly kind of get like a puffy and I start run back again and get back down to my size. You see me? But me's a man not overdo nothing.
Yeah.
Cause your body this. Me not overdo, me not try to be this muscle man.
Yeah. No, that no work out.
That no work out.
Yeah,
Life is a thing where you have to take
moderation.
Yeah.
Everything you do in moderation.
A little of that, a little of this.
So like that song that you just
Yeah, don't overdo it.
There's a man who love to be clean and neat and fresh said way. I see you wearing a shirt with Master Blaster upon it. What is that all about?
Well, this is Bulby Ark production. Them have a like one of them album them with compilation with different
collaborations.
artists. Barris Hammond, just name it.
Yeah.
You know, everybody on it. And it go on nice. Me have a song on it.
Yeah, how that song they go?
This burning fire, it's all that you require. So catch a fire and burn it higher. This heart of fire, it's burning to inspire. So catch a fire and burn it higher. Me and Lexus do the song. The song name Catch a Fire.
Catch a Fire, yeah.
But me have a song, a verse, my verse, ignite the fire, make the fire blaze fire, ignite the fire.
Looking at the career, is there anything that you haven't achieved as yet where you want?
Well, most naturally. Yeah, man. Want right now, at the next stage, a music I want to go to like have a song in the American chart, in the
rotate.
Yeah, I rotate in the American.
Billboard settings.
Billboard, not even Billboard, in the American chart.
Yeah.
Because Billboard is a magazine. The chart, the Billboard chart, it good. It good enough. But when you have a song like how Sean Paul have sung in #1 in the American chart.
Platinum.
A song that him have.
Double platinum, yeah.
More than one of them. Them things that we look forward to in the British chart. You see me? In the French national chart. Them kind of song that we are searching for right now. You see me?
Yeah, man, understand.
Yeah, song when you sing them, and when you see a royalty statement, you think about where you go buy the plaza.
We try to go buy it.
Yeah, you see, you know, say, plaza this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plaza money.
Retirement food this. And that's what I think about.
Yeah. But no,
them kind of song that we really I think about right now.
I've been in the business for a long time, right? And we know that Anthony Redrose is not as visible as he would have been in the past. But you're still around.
Yeah.
Do you do anything outside of music from an economic level, you know, because some of them business and thing, you know?
Yeah, well, may I tell you the truth, me just a music man.
Music, man.
Me just a full music man. From me know myself, as music, straight.
And music continues to put the food on the table.
Yeah, and music give me everything on it.
Everything you have. And you're comfortable.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I can't say me a suffer. No. You know what I'm saying?
That's good.
And the good when I do on the earth, me know say me can't suffer.
Come back to you.
Yeah, man, because people really show me love.
Yeah.
Because that me work with right through my life.
Love.
Love straight. You know?
That's important.
Yeah, man. If you lose that, you know, you lose everything, you know.
Yeah.
As a human being, from you lose love, you lose everything.
Any performances coming up soon?
Well, I want to tell you, you know, from the other day, I forgot tour out America. You know?
America.
Yeah, if we go in America, I got tour and we apply for the work permit. And I don't know what's taking place. It just I take a.
Hopefully it will come
a longer while
soon.
than,
Yeah, man.
a longer while than me.
Aja works, man.
So I just call and go and make some music.
Go and make some music.
Right now, I should be in America right now. So the whole of them time I did plan to go America go tour. That's it. But next year I go Europe.
Yeah. So
it not happen. So me just
so
chill.
the people in Europe will look out for Anthony Redrose next year.
Next year.
Yeah, which is like tomorrow, because year soon done.
No,
you know,
them things here come like one day now.
One day.
Because when I youth 1 year did look long. The whole time I get a year come like
quick and fast.
Yeah.
Quick and fast. Still active, still a put in the work, still a help the youths them.
Yeah, man, I can't
Still
change.
enjoy
It's never
life.
there, innit?
You understand?
I have to just keep happy and go and just live my life to the best I can. You know see it? And anything me have, me try spread the joy and keep the joy flowing.
Yeah. So the voice still big, so the voice still powerful and
The man come here sing every day, same way.
Keep it
if I not
going.
dub, me have voice.
Yeah.
Cause me voice myself a lot. Me have a whole heap of song. Me sing a whole heap of song. Cause it's a thing with me, you know, me call a Bob Marley teach for this thing. Yeah. You must have a song bank. See like how you bank money, you have to bank the song.
These are something for jar.
Yes. That means that suppose you find this big hit song and you have to go up on tour and don't come off a tour. You have catalogs of songs you can put out and keep you current.
Keep it. Makes sense.
You know, see, you have always
Old school
have,
lesson.
Yeah. You have to always have song because a song is like a lotto ticket to an artist.
Yeah.
Without a song, you don't have a chance.
Yeah. No chance.
No chance. So you must always have songs.
But let me ask you a question though, Anthony. Is it difficult these days for an artist who is not into, you know, the young thing these days, you know, older artists to get airplay for new songs on the radio?
Well, I tell you, you know, it get kind of weird through the years for a older artist to get play upon the radio because in a Jamaica, because music become like a politics thing.
Yeah, the whole POLA settings and the works.
It's a politics thing. So what you have to do is just go and sing a song them because me not really worry myself about running back a man for play my song. I put out a song and my song play everywhere else in the world. If me know me can get my song played. Me will drive, go down to the RFM or drive, go anywhere, go talk to the disc jockey. Because me know them from them I come up. And
the respect is there.
And it's there. And me never rode to no man or do anything, you know. So me just drive, go check a man and carry my song again.
Yeah.
And me and him sit down and raise and we work out. I think that my song will play. Me know that.
Of all the songs that you would have done, which one has been the most financially lucrative song?
Tempo, you know.
Tempo. Dub plate settings.
Dub plate settings and people.
Because no sound clash not keep, no real sound clash not keep without a dub plate there. You know?
Yeah, and me I tell you not even that. Other people, like artists, a whole heap of artists loop it and use it. All different kind of people when me even know.
No, what?
I see a whole heap of thing from my royalty statement. Them a whole heap of people, tempo, that song there. Thank God for it.
Thank God for it. Still I
Let
keep
me
the
say it
tempo
on
up.
camera. Thank God for it.
For the people them out there want to get in touch with Anthony Redrose, so they go about it.
Well, Anthony Redrose now, me dey on all of the social network, but you spell the rose with a Z. The Facebook, they spell it with a Z. The Instagram are the same thing, they spell it with a Z and it come up. Redrose is not hard to find. For you Google Anthony Redrose, my number, everything come up. Me is not a man, a man we hide from feds or anybody. So for you Google Red Rose, everything come up.
Father Red Rose.
Bless you.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
That's go and put in the work and appreciate the fact that the man take the time out for all the reason and share the history.
It was nice.
Yeah, man.
And I will have more things for chats, you know. So I feel like you have to come visit me back again.
Anytime you're ready.
I'll call you.
You have a link.
Yeah, I'll call you. Because a whole heap of things for chat.
You have a link, man. So
whole heap of things for chat.
Always did it and ready.
I just like a piece of the tailpipe.
A simple thing, man. We're always ready to sit down with the man that must set the thing. You understand? Because we love the music too, and if I never have a man like you and other man, the music couldn't grow and reach where it reaches. So we appreciate that. You understand? So we're there still.
Give thanks.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.